Yes, student, this is the most important reaction of the content phenol. Okay. Often the question is asked many times in the CBSE exam and even in the competitive exams. There are many things to watch in this reaction. This is one of the name reaction called Kolbe reaction. The reaction of phenol. This is phenol. Okay, with carbon dioxide. Actually, the main reactant are phenol and carbon dioxide. But being the reaction takes place followed by the formation of that is followed by the electrophilic substitution reaction, and therefore the carbon dioxide is a weaker electrophile. So the the phenol is actually first treated with strong alkali sodium hydroxide so that it first converts into sodium phenoxide. Here converts into sodium phenoxide. Then this sodium phenoxide is treated with carbon dioxide. You can write the carbon dioxide in that way: C double bond O, C double bond O, and this is what H2O. Okay, where it forms. This is O, Na, and then C double bond O, O minus, which on hydrolysis, that is HOH in presence of HCl, forms final product. Final product, that is what? OH, and there is C double bond O, OH. This compound is called salicylic acid. Salicylic acid, or you can call it what? Orthohydroxy benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay, this is the IUPAC name of the compound, orthohydroxy benzoic acid, and this is the commercial name called what? Salicylic acid. Actually, student, to better understand, we have to find its mechanism. Okay, because through the mechanism, the reaction will complete. So, in the first reaction, so that even weaker electrolyte can attack on it, the OH is first reacted with, that is phenol is reacted with what? Sodium hydroxide, to which it forms O and A. Okay. Now Na, you know, is a metal that is electron releasing. So if it will release electron, then the pair of these pi bond can shift very easily, and when the pi bond can shift very easily, then it will become highly active, and thus there will be what? O and A. There is what? Plus charge. This is what? H. Okay, and there is a electron pair. This is the electron pair. So now here it becomes highly unstable. Therefore, even weaker CO2 can attack on it. So this is first step. In second step, now the carbon dioxide. Okay, the reaction takes place at 400 Kelvin. So here O and A. Okay, this is earlier plus charge. This is the understood hydrogen presence here. This is electron efficient species, plus now CO2. You can write CO2 in that form. CO2. This is what? Electron efficient. Now the carbon becomes electron what? Efficient. Why? Because the double bond is shifted towards one of the oxygen atom. That means now here it acts as an electrophile. So it becomes electrophile. Now the electrophile can easily attack on this carbon, forming an intermediate compound. Okay. This one, this is a plus charge. This is what? O and A. This is understood H, and now the C double bond O will attach here. There is electron efficiency, but now the minus charge and the plus charge will diminish, that is neutralize. It is because the opposite charge will neutralize each other. And finally, when the compound is hydrolyzed in the presence of HCl, will convert into the final product. That is now here the H, okay, bond, that these 2 electron is again gained by this carbon and this carbon to diminish what? Plus charge, because there is a instability. Okay, so the phase instability. Now the double bond will form here. These are the previous bond. Now the ONA will convert into OH. Here the H will attack here, and Na will react with Cl. So that will become NaCl, and the remaining H will come here. Thus now it becomes COOH. Okay, this compound is known as salicylic acid. Getting student, salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is the starting material. It is the starting material. Okay, to prepare 2 very important compound. To prepare 2 very important compound. The first compound is called what? Aspirin. It is one of the very important compound. What? Aspirin. What is aspirin? It is the medicine used as antipyretic and analgesic. Analgesic. You know what is the meaning of antipyretic? Which slow down the body fever, and analgesic which removes the pain. This is called what? Analgesic. So 2 very important medicines are prepared by that salicylic acid. This medicine is also used for blood pressure patient. So how it is prepared? When salicylic acid, that is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, okay, is treated with acetic anhydride. In the presence of sodium acetate. Here the H releases from that portion, forming what? Minus CH3 COOH. Okay, and forming a compound. You have to learn its IUPAC name. This is COOH. Now remember here there is what? O, and this after O this is C double bond O, and this is what? CH3. So this portion is known as acetoxy. And this portion from here to here is known as benzoic acid. So benzoic acid. So this is the common name of the medicine what? Aspirin. Okay, it is asked in the exam what is the IUPAC name of aspirin, and I told you it is used, that is salicylic acid is used to prepare 2 very important compound. First compound is what? Aspirin, and the second compound it is called oil of wintergreen. What is oil of wintergreen, beta? It is used for perfumes. Okay, large number of perfumes. Getting how it is prepared? It is prepared again by salicylic acid, but the reaction is little difficult. Here, this is not the reaction of OH group, but actually it is the reaction of carboxylic group. Okay, this is the difference. Now, here is the reaction of OH group. The study we are doing for H releasing, but here we will do the study for OH releasing. When it reacts with methanol, OH, CH3, getting then the compound form used in the use of HCl. Okay, and it form a compound. Look at here, there is COOH and now C, okay, double bond O and CH3. Getting C double bond O, OCH3, OCH3. Okay, or you can say C double bond O, that is O and H and O. So C double bond O, CH3. This compound is called oil of wintergreen, used for perfume. Okay, thank you.